Hi, my name is Luana Moreno, and I'm going to be talking about how safe sex should be promoted in public schools rather than preaching abstinence. Many parents neglect to educate their children about safe sex, or they just don't feel comfortable having a sex talk with their children. Safe sex is a right that they should be able to have. 70% of 18-year-olds are sexually active. Safe sex should be promoted in schools rather than an abstinence-based program. Keeping children in ignorance about sex will not stop them from having sex, but will only make the sex that they have more riskier. Parents nowadays don't have total control over the actions of their kids. Society plays a huge role in what they do. Children, they learn more about sex from their friends, television, and in schools more than they do their own home. Lack of sexual education results in higher STD and pregnancy rates amongst our teenagers. The Netherlands, they're famous for their blunt sexual education. They have a higher age of sexual experience in first-timers and much lower pregnancy and STD rates in teenagers. In the USA, 1 out of 4 teenage girls between the ages of 14 and 19 have had one of the most common STDs. Comprehensive sex education is successful with helping our teenagers to make proper decisions about sex and to teach them the correct sexual behaviors. If we apply sexual education, they can be aware of the risks and proper techniques. Research proves that abstinent education frequently fails. A lot of students, they don't know the proper way to put on a condom or how to use a condom or birth control or the Depo shots. They're not aware of these things, so instead of using these safe sex methods, they tend to just rush into things without thinking about STDs and pregnancies. They don't care about the risks because they're not aware, they're not educated. So as parents of children these days, we need to teach them how to have sex the correct way. We can't be ignorant to the fact that they're having sex. We can't think that children aren't going to have sex nowadays, because there are statistics, they prove it. 80% of 18-year-olds, they're sexually active. So we can't sit here and say that they're not going to do it, because they are. So we need to learn how to talk to them about sex and how to teach them that they need to use condoms and they need to use birth control. Well, I hope this was helpful. I know that this is a touchy subject and a lot of people may disagree, but I feel very strongly that promoting safe sex is a wonderful way to aware our children about the STD rates and pregnancy rates that's going on right now. So, my name is Luana Moreno once again, and I am signing out.